Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Moto Edge 60 Fusion smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. If you're bored with this old looking control center, then you can change it to new modern one. Simply open your settings, select home and lock screen, and then select control center. From here you can simply select modern style, then it will set that cool looking control center for you. Now if you will swipe down from the right side, it will open your control center, and if you open from the left side of the front camera, then it will open your notification center. You can also swipe left to the right to switch from notification bar to control center. This phone comes with a lot of AI features. In the app drawer at the bottom you will see a bar that is for AI. If you will click on the left side, it will show you some AI features. The first one is update me. If you will click on this, then it will summarize all the notifications that you have in your notification bar and give you a small summary. So with the help of this, you can get the gist of all the notifications that you have in your notification bar, and you can read in a very short summary. Here the next AI feature is take notes. With the help of this, you can record any lecture or any recording in general. You can transcribe it and even summarize it, so you can use this if you're a student or you're taking any lecture. The third AI feature is remember this. So you can take a screenshot while scrolling your social media or your internet browser. You can also add your notes with that, and it will save it to the general. We'll talk about that later. In the app drawer you will see on the top here, it will save all your notes that you have saved from here. Remember this, it will save all the screenshots or photos or the notes, so you can save all those just like a virtual diary in journal. And the fourth one is of course magic canvas. With the help of that, you can create an image with the help of AI. When your phone is locked, anyone can access your control center and change any of these settings. If you want to change this, then open your settings, select home and lock screen, and then select control center. There on the bottom you will see the option of allow control center access on lock screen. Simply disable this. Now whenever phone is locked, no one can access your control center and change any of those settings. If you try to take a screenshot by using your three fingers like this, then you won't be able to do that. There's a different gesture. You have to use your three fingers and then tap and hold on the display like this. Then it will click a screenshot for you. You can now create small folders in your app drawer as well, so it won't look too spilled. As you can see, I have created a folder for Google applications. To create the folder, again click on these three dots and then select create folder. From here you can create an app folder in your app drawer. By default it doesn't show battery percentage in the status bar. To enable this, open your settings, select battery, and then enable battery percentage. Then it will start showing your battery percentage. If you are in a hurry and you want to quickly charge your smartphone, then you can use the charge boost feature in the battery settings. Click on this and then enable this. It will increase the charging speed of your smartphone, but keep in mind it may heat up your device and may decrease the lifespan of your phone's battery if you use it regularly. If you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then in the same battery settings, come back and then select optimize charging. Click on this and then enable this. It will learn your charging pattern, and according to that it will adjust the charging speed. So with the help of this optimize charging feature, you can increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. There's a feature of quick launch. If you will gently tap on the back of the phone, then it will open the AI feature of the smartphone. You can fully customize this. To do this, open your settings, select gestures, scroll down, and then select quick launch. Click on this setting icon. From here you can select any of these tools, or you can also select any of the applications. Now whenever you will tap on the back of your phone, then it will directly open that application. There are other gestures as well. You can turn on or off your flashlight by shaking your phone like this. Shake it again, then it will turn it off. Now if you want to quickly launch your camera application, you can rotate your wrist like this 2 times, then it will open your camera application. So you can use these gestures to quickly open your favorite application, camera application, and even turn on or off your flashlight. Just like Samsung's device, you can also use circle to search feature in the smartphone as well. Tap and hold the middle button if you're using 3-button navigation, or if you're using gesture navigation, then simply tap and hold the middle bottom like this. It will enable the circle to search. Simply circle the object that you have on your screen, then it will directly search it on the Google for you. If you long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, select gestures, select power button, and then select press and hold. From here you can select power menu. Now if you long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. There's another way to open your power menu. For example, if your power button is not working, then you can open your control bar, and there on the bottom you will see an icon of power. Click on this and it will also open your power menu. If you're using 3-button navigation and you want to change the order of these 3 buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, select gestures, select system navigation, and then click on this setting icon. From here you can change the order of these 3 back buttons. Now if you want to set gesture navigation, then simply select gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this, jump to your home screen like this, and open your recent application like this. There are a lot of features to protect your eyes in the smartphone. Open your settings, select display. The first one is dark theme. If you enable this, then it will turn all the whites into blacks. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use this dark theme feature. There's another feature called night light. This is also for the people who use their phone at night a lot. If you enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen, as you can see. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. You can use this one. The next one is flicker prevention. If you enable this, then it will prevent your display to flicker when you will use the minimum brightness in the smartphone. So you can also use this one to protect your eyes. If you read ebooks a lot or you use articles on the internet a lot, then the next feature is for you. In the same display settings, select screen timeout, and there on the bottom you will see the option of attentive display. Enable this. What it does, it will prevent your screen from turning off if you are looking at it. So you don't have to keep on tapping on the display to keep it on. Simply enable this and enjoy your reading. You can customize a lot of stuff in the smartphone. Open your settings, select personalize. From here you can change the theme of the smartphone. You can change the font style in the smartphone. You have different options. Simply select any of these and it will change the font. You can change the icon shape from here. You can change the UI colors as well. You can select any of these colors. You can also change the fingerprint animation. Select any of these and then it will change it for you. There's a feature called Edge Light. As this phone comes with curved display, this feature looks really cool. So it will look something like this, as you can see in the preview. Select your favorite color. You can also select for which you want to use edge lighting, for incoming calls, notification or alarms. So yeah, you can customize a lot of stuff in the smartphone. In Moto Edge 50 Fusion, there was no app lock, but in this smartphone, you will get an app lock. Open your settings, select apps. There you will see the option of app lock. From here, you can set this and you can use this easily to lock any of the application that you have in your smartphone. In the same app setting, you can also clone any application. From here, cloned application. Firstly, you have to install the Messenger application because it only works for Messenger application. Right now, I don't have any Messenger application. So after this, you can clone those applications from here, cloned apps. If you like to multitask, then you can use the smart sidebar feature. By default, it is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, select sidebar and then enable this. It will start showing a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. Simply swipe to the left to open this. It will give you a little tour. It has some default application. You can edit this from settings. You can remove unnecessary application or add your favorite application. Now come back. Now whenever you will open any application, it will open it in floating window. As you can see, you can resize it from the corners, drag and drop it anywhere. You can also minimize it like this, and you can keep on using your smartphone normally. It will remain as minimized, just like your desktop and laptop. Whenever you want to open it again, tap on it and here it for you. So if you like to multitask, then you can use this smart sidebar feature. There is another feature for people who love to multitask. Open your settings, select display, scroll down to the bottom and then select swipe to split. Enable this. Now you can use two applications at the same time. Simply open the first application and then swipe like this on the screen. Keep in mind the second application must be in the recent tab. Now select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of this split screen feature. By default, double tap to lock your smartphone feature is enabled, so you can double tap on the home screen to lock your smartphone and double tap on the locked screen to wake your screen up. These were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Moto Edge 60 Fusion smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.